Hi, I'm Maya, a typical Virgo, and I do videos about bullet journaling on my channel, so if you like that, stick around and let's just get into it. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous to be honest, because I'm not used to showing my face on camera. I'm usually showing only my hands and bullet journals that I do in front of me. I want you to get to know me also, not only my hands and bullet journals. In today's video, I wanted to go into details with one of my 2023 bullet journal spreads that I did in this year, 2023. I already have my video of setting up my 2023 bullet journal, so if you want to watch it, go check it out. I'm gonna put it here or here, I don't know in which side. But I have one spread in my 2023 bullet journal that I wanted to go into details. I'm talking about 100 things I want to do in 2023 spread. Let's just get into the bullet journal. So here I have my bullet journal and let's just get into it. And here it is, 100 things in 2023. Let's just talk about this elephant in the room. I have to explain this. I cut myself while making a lasagna. I don't have any other band-aids and this will have to do, but I'm not even mad about it. It's just a vibe, honestly. But if you want a close-up, it's a Spider-Man and the Hulk. Okay, so here it is, my 100 things in 2023 spread, and I created a little Dutch door so I can fit 100 things into the page with only one header. And let me tell you, oh, excuse this is my microphone. Just ignore it, okay? Let's ignore it. It was a little bit hard to find 100 things that I would like to do. And so I obviously went to Pinterest and found a lot of ideas there. So now that I've gathered 100 things that I want to do in 2023, I have small and some big things that I want to do in 2023. But what's important for me in this spread is that I don't want to create any pressure on myself that I have to cross out everything that it is on this list. Because some of the things that are put in here are really big. Like one of them is to do a backflip. I'm not even remotely close to doing a backflip. But yeah, it's just a cool, fun thing that I want to do, but I don't have any pressure on me that I have to do it. But even though I don't want to create pressure, I still want to do a lot of the things in this spread just because I find them fun. And honestly, this is the whole point of this spread, is for me to have fun with it. So everything that I've put into this spread can be put into categories like fun tasks and events, adventures, and DIY. So everything is in this type of style. But of course, if you're gonna do this spread yourself, you're gonna put different things into there, different things that you're interested in, and different things that would be fun to you. But on the other hand, if you would like to copy and paste everything that I have on my list to yours, you can obviously do that. And I'm also gonna include a digital copy of everything that I have on this list in the description below. So if you want to just copy and paste it, it's gonna be easier for you than to type everything out. So everything from this list is, first thing, fill this bullet journal. This is a thin one, so this is not gonna be hard. Then I have take a dance class. I've already practiced pole dancing before, but then I stopped for some reason. It was getting too expensive, honestly. But I want to try something like this again because that was really fun. Then I have make an herb garden, pull an all-nighter, sell something I made. So maybe I'm gonna do stickers, maybe I'm gonna do some digital bullet journals or something like that. Just something that I've made. Try hypnosis. I don't really believe in hypnosis, but I am ready to change my mind if I try it and then it works on me. So that's why I want to do that. Go to a new coffee shop, paint with watercolors, buy flowers for a stranger, find my signature scent, shopping spree on thrifting sale day, go ziplining, try acupuncture, make cake pops, join a retreat, sign up for an online workshop, create a vision board. I'm thinking about doing a Reinventing Myself series where I'm gonna also include making a vision board for myself for this year. So comment if any of you would like to see that. Then I have organized the kitchen cabinets, which I could also include in my Reinventing Myself series. Ride a scooter, go on a hot air balloon, redecorate, host a cocktail party, celebrate my 23rd birthday, which is on August 23rd. Go to the sauna, make a photo album, play a game of paintball, launch a website, paint a wall, try bubble tea, go to a music festival, travel to Spain, do an escape room, buy a bullet journal from another YouTuber. For now, I'm buying my bullet journals in just regular stores, wherever is the cheapest. But in the future, I really want to buy bullet journals from other YouTubers. Then I have volunteer, start an online store, go to a drive-in movie, go to a comedy show, upgrade my filming station, read 50 books. It's 2 a.m., don't judge me. Read 50 books, try Korean skincare, grow to 10k subscribers on YouTube. This is exciting. I think this is the most exciting from this list because I'm already so hyped and happy now that I am at 200 subscribers. I can't even imagine how it's gonna be when I hit 10k. I really appreciate every single one of you so much. Okay, then I have cook something new, make a series on YouTube, complete a course, create a course, go snorkeling, get a pair of everyday earrings, do a backflip. We'll see. Go skinny dipping, get a pothos plant. So this is my first 50 things out of the 100. Let's continue. Buy a nice casual dress, paint night, host a giveaway, karaoke, have a weekend getaway, find a mentor, make a snowman, get freebies to promote. Then I have go camping, host a gathering, practice pole dancing again, buy a teapot. I drink tea daily and I'm really excited to get a nice fancy teapot. Try riding a jet ski, get a cat. I'm currently living in a really tiny apartment with my boyfriend and my dog, but we are setting our goals to move in this year into a bigger apartment so we can also then get a cat. And I'm hoping that this year goes well for me financially so we can do that. Then I have do a live stream, get a professional massage, create a passive income, get a tattoo, meal prep, create a bullet journal setup video of every month, buy a crystals necklace, even though I already have two. There's never too much. Have a favorite things day, go for a wine tasting. Then I have ride a roller coaster, try a new restaurant. And on the last page I have change my hair, clean out my closet, make a photo book. That's also, I have this on 2 pages, so let's make 2 photo books now. I'm sorry for that, that's just my mistake. Get a sponsorship on my channel, have a spa day, visit 5 countries, have a picnic, learn how to crochet, save up 10k, go to an event alone. I have social anxiety, so this is big for me, but I really want to get over my fear and do this. Then I have buy a blanket basket, get a piercing, go to therapy, expensive one, but I need it. As I already said, move to a bigger apartment, go on a girls only trip, arts and wine night, go skiing, create a capsule wardrobe, pay for the next customer in McDonald's, do a dopamine detox, buy oracle cards. I already have tarot cards that I use on the daily, but I also want some oracle cards. I think it's a fun thing to include into my daily routines in the morning or in the evening. Oh, I can show you my tarot cards because they're really pretty. These are my tarot cards and I have them packaged up still because I package them up every day after I use it. It's just too pretty for me to not take care of it. Look at them. And they have like gold sides. It's really pretty. The art on these cards is just amazing. What if we do a pool? Let's do a tarot pool before we finish this video. Mix it up, mix it, mix it, mix. I'm not a pro or anything. I've been using tarot for like a month, but it's really fun and I've really journaled through a lot with tarot. So let's just mix, mix, mix. Oh, and then I wait for a card to pop out. And we got 6 of Wands. Isn't it pretty? Now let's read what it means in this little book. Okay. I know that I shine bright. So it says, all eyes on you. You've accomplished so much and risen beyond yourself. Congratulations on this peak moment. In addition to shining bright like the sun, you now receive public recognition for what you've accomplished. Yeah, it's true because I have 200 subscribers. Yeah. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but if you want to read it, just pause and you can read it. A little sidetrack from the video. Pack it up, back again into the box. But now let's continue. The last 4 things for my list are repot all my plants, use a bath bomb, go somewhere tropical, and write a letter to myself to open on December 31st, which is also one of my spreads in the 2023 bullet journal here. But I don't have it yet. I'm gonna do it now in a few days. So yeah, this is it. My 100 things that I want to do in 2023. As I've already said, the whole list is in the description box if you want to copy it. And if you're also gonna do the spread and post it on your social media, tag me so I can see what you create. Okay, I have @typicalvirgo everywhere. But yeah, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't yet. I wish you a lovely start of 2023. And yeah, that's it. Have a nice day. Bye. And also bye from Spider-Man and Hulk. I'm really sleepy. I have to go to sleep. It's like 3 a.m. now. Bye!